All right, so this is my second video that I've done related to comic books. I've seen a lot of guys on YouTube do videos where they unbox their CGC books, and just today I received a package from CGC. It's actually the second one that I've received in the last couple of weeks. I have one more that is already in the mail and should be hopefully here Monday or Tuesday of next week. But I'm one of those people that if I get something new, I have to experience it right away. So I've already gone onto CGC's website and looked at the scores for these books. I'm still definitely excited to still unbox it, primarily because, you know, these books have never really been out of my possession. And so it's nice to have them back, and it's going to be cool to actually see books that I've owned since I was a teen now encapsulated with these grades. So let's go ahead and pop this box open. Let's get a little prop here to hold the box up. So this, as I mentioned, is the second box that's come in from CGC. I have one more that's in the mail that hopefully will arrive here early next week. All right. So I hear a lot of guys that do these videos talk about how they are, you know, disappointed in the scores from CGC and things like that. And to be honest with you, as I looked at some of these books, you know, I was a little disappointed as well. But just like competing, you know, this is all subjective, right? There's a little bit of science to it. There's a standard to it and things like that, but it's all still very much subjective. So, you know, as much as I might be disappointed in the outcome, I still, I guess, I invited the opinion. So let's see how we're going to do these. Those two together. And those two together. Okay. So here is the first book. This is Incredible Hulk 340. It is Hulk versus Wolverine. And this is a book that I have literally owned since I was a teen. I think I bought this book for $20 at a convention back in the day. But this is a 9.2 white pages Incredible Hulk number 340. This is a very cool cover. Actually, this is one of my favorite colors. As I mentioned to you guys before, Wolverine is actually my favorite character, so this book is huge for me. But very nice. So in that same vein, while we're talking about Wolverine, this one I was a little disappointed in, but I guess I kind of get it. I think the cover's a little faded. It is Wolverine Limited Series #1, and unfortunately it is a 7.5 with off-white to white pages. So definitely a little disappointed with that one, but it's still a very nice book. You know, still a very nice book. So what else do we have here? I'll do that one and I'll do last. So this next one, which one of these is? Yeah, we'll do this one first. So this is Amazing Spider-Man. It is the $2.99, the Venom cameo, and this is a 9.0. Again, this is one of the books that I've had since I was literally a teen, and who knew that it would be as popular as it is now. But I think I actually paid, what was this book? This is 88, so I must have paid a couple of bucks for it. I really don't remember when I acquired this book, to be honest with you, but I know it was a book that I've owned since I was much younger. So here is Amazing Spider-Man 361. This is the first full appearance of Carnage. When I sent this one in, I actually thought that this one would have done much better. I mean, it actually looks really good. I'm not sure what happened with this one, but here it is, and it is a 8.5 with white pages. Very nice book. Yeah, I'm really not sure. Yeah, I see a little bend there. Maybe I should have had this one pressed. Oh, there's something right there. Actually, this is, again, I've only done a few batches to CGC, and I actually honestly didn't even really inspect the books before I sent them in, but there's actually a little ding right in the middle. You probably can't even see it on camera, but there's definitely a little ding there, and that's probably why. Didn't look like it broke the color, but is what it is. So next one, X-Men is probably one of my favorite teams, right? So Wolverine and Spider-Man are like my favorite characters, but my favorite team is the X-Men. So this is another book that I've had for a very, very long time. This is the first full appearance of Gambit, and this is Uncanny X-Men 266. Unfortunately, it is only an 8.0, but still a very nice book. Corners all look really good on this one. So there must have been some kind of ding or two somewhere. Spine ticks me, yeah, as I can see a couple there. It is what it is. And this book I picked up recently. So I've somewhat been a little intrigued by Inhumans, especially because of the TV show. It caught my attention back in the day, but not nearly like it did recently when I was watching the TV show. So I went out and I got this book on eBay for, really, it was just a couple of bucks. It really wasn't all that expensive. It was when I just started getting back into books, which wasn't that long ago. So I didn't have a tremendous amount of experience, buying books, especially raw books. I was still learning about grading and all that kind of stuff. And I'm still learning, to be honest with you. But this is Inhumans #1 from 1975. And it is a 7.0 with off-white pages, but pretty nice book. If I were to buy this book again, I definitely would have bought it a little bit more smartly and probably had the book pressed, because I can see there's at least 3 dings in the front cover around the spine, and like one in the middle, like right here, right beneath the nameplate. But again, a very nice book that I'm happy to have in my collection. I think when I read the notes, they mentioned that the back side of this was a little dirty, so it could have used a little cleaning. Yeah, you can see that actually. You can see there's a little, I don't think it's staining, I just think it's dirt. But another really cool book. So out of all of these, what did I get? I received a 9.2, a 9.0, an 8.5, an 8, a 7.5, and a 7.0. So I have another package that's already in the mail right now. I think that one contains 9 books that I'm definitely looking forward to getting early next week. And then I still have a box of 20 books that I sent to CGC for them to press and clean. And those are primarily some Amazing Spider-Man, early Amazing Spider-Man books that I picked up that had seen better days. So I decided with those to actually get those pressed and clean. And so I'm hopeful that the pressing and cleaning will help. I think one of them had a severe spine roll that I'm hoping that they were able to fix. So excited to get those back. My guess is that those are going to be 7.5, 7s if I'm lucky. But Amazing Spider-Man, again, great book, great title, lots of first appearances and things like that. And so I picked up a large lot of those books recently. So looking forward to getting those back. Maybe we'll do another unboxing video. And while I'm at it, let me show you something. I also just got these 2 books today. Which one is? So this is Journey into Mystery with the Mighty Thor 123. I did not pay that. I think that's been on there for forever. $12. June 1969. Thankfully, that's actually on the plastic. And then I also picked up Thor 125. So again, another really nice book. Not sure if I'll hold on to these books long term, but they were pretty nice at a fair price. So we may send them to CGC for some cleaning, pressing, and also encapsulation, and then maybe we will try to find them a good home. We'll see. All right, so that's all that I have. Thank you guys for watching.